Hello, continuing from the last video on digitising maps, I've drawn all my unit polygons here, unit colours I should say, and the next thing I want to do is draw these boundaries between the units. So the boundaries, you can't just do them by changing the stroke colour to black, because you'll see some of these boundaries are dashed and some are hard lines and some maybe on your map are dotted as well. So we need to represent them separately. So just lock this unit colors one. So I'm going to talk about two methods for doing the unit boundaries. The first method is a really simple method, but it probably won't produce the best results, but the results will be good enough. So just zoom in on the map, and what we're simply going to do is just draw a new line for the boundary. So I'll come along here and I'll try and follow this green line closely. Now, provided you get this fairly close, you won't be able to tell the difference. We'll just double click to finish that. So if I bring up the fill and stroke menu, and maybe I'm going to have that at, just make that 1 point for now, and we'll make it a dashed line. There's more dash options below there. Cool. Now if we just bring back up that fill and stroke here, the unit colours, select these two and hide that stroke, and then if we just hide this scanned field map and bring that opacity up, you can't really tell that it's not the exact same boundary, and you probably won't be able to tell in print. So that's a really easy way to do it. In the next video I'll show you a kind of more complicated way that might produce better results in some cases.